Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 3. So hopefully by now we're all done with the setup and everything from the first two modules, and now we're just into like regular content, regular. This is how it's going to be week to week. So we have some different things to read and to watch. So this module we're going to be talking about family and family names, and also the verb tener, which means to have, and the conjugations of that. So make sure you read their stuff in the book. There's also some extra articles. You'll need all of that stuff. We have the homework packet. Remember, that's the one with unlimited attempts. And we have a discussion board based on the readings. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday for that. For the speaking assignment, you're going to be answering those questions about your family. And then this one, family tree practice, you don't actually have to submit this. This is just similar to something that's on the quiz. So if you want to check your answers, you can email me. But again, it's similar to what's on the quiz. So if you want to practice before, you can do that. And then we have the quiz. Remember that for the quizzes, you can only open them one time. Once you click on it, it can't be opened again. You have to finish it within the time limit. It won't save anything that's over the time limit. So just try to answer all the questions and press submit before that timer runs out. So that's for the quiz. And again, remember the homework packet you can do as many times as you want. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.